And of course, I have no answer to it. I mean, you're asking the question that I hope someday humanity will have a chance to explore and we'll know more about. Then I think what will happen is that once we can describe what happened before the Big Bang, there'll be a whole series of other questions.
So if the Big Bang is the wrong way to think about it, of a bang, what's the right way to think about it?
Yeah.
The initial expansion?
I can't think of necessarily a better term. I mean, you know the Big Bang was meant as actually a criticism, right? It was Fred Hoyle. When people first began, back in the 1920s when they discovered the universe was expanding, and this was a big surprise. I mean, famously, Albert Einstein didn't think that it was. And then he saw the evidence. All of a sudden, with our telescopes, we saw the universe is expanding in every direction. It was actually Fred Hoyle that, said at a conference as a way of making fun of this. People were saying, well, maybe everything went back to sort of a common, denser, structure. It was actually it was a Belgian Jesuit father, a Belgian priest named Georges Lemaitre, who came up with the idea that if the universe was expanding now, if we run time backwards, maybe it all becomes one big, he called it the primordial atom.